Welcome back, students. Good morning. We had started reading the Unit 3, Section C, and the chapter name is The Curious Robot. And in this chapter, we read earlier that now the earth has been inhabited by robots now. All the work is being done by different kinds of robots. There are construction robots, there are transport robots, and there are repair robots. Human beings are just less than 1,000 and they only give orders to robots. They do not like it when they are given orders or when they are asked anything by the robots. They don't like it. They get irritated, they get annoyed. So here in the chapter we saw that one of the human beings had come to the repair section and he just inquired about the production of the robots and had there been any accidents in the last 10 years. And the in charge robot, he just answered him rapidly that there had been no accidents. And the transport robot highlighted the difference between robots and the human beings. He proved that robots are better than human beings because they do not destroy each other. Robots have more intelligence than human beings because human beings are very destructive in nature. They are destroying. In the history also they destroyed everything, and now even they are destroying everything. They have limited memory, they have limited time span, they need to learn things, whereas robots they are machines. They are better than human beings. They perform better than human beings. So from this, the repair robot, who is a curious robot, R62, he concluded that Earth would be better if there had been no human beings on the Earth. If Earth is inhabited only by robots, then it would be better. Now let's read further what happens. Yes, but for which reason would you exist without humans? Asked T59. Now T59 is a transport robot and this is R62. So T59 asked R62 ki if now you are saying that Earth would be better than human beings, then if there would be no human beings, then what is the reason for your existence? Can you tell me that? Surprised by the question, R62 answered, to repair cars. That the purpose of my existence is to repair cars. Although he was surprised, he was not expecting such kind of question from T59. So he answered that my purpose of existence is to repair cars. For whom? Asked T59. Like, for whom are you repairing these cars? For the transport robot to drive them? Answer R62 promptly. Promptly means quickly. So that he said that I am repairing cars so that transport robot can drive them and take goods from one place to another. For what? Asked T59. To transport the goods for the buildings, replied R62. For what? Asked T59. For other transport robots to deliver it to humans. Now ultimately he got the reason for their existence is humans. That for humans they are doing everything. Humans are the reason they have come in existence, and for humans they are doing all the jobs. Replied R62, being surprised on what he had arrived for answer. Now he was surprised at himself that ultimately what is the purpose of their existence is to help humans. Robots exist because of humans, as they created us and humans control us with their orders. We exist to support the humans so that they can expand, survive and be more. Be more means increase in number. Then that is why they are superior, they are better. And this is the reason they are better than us. Because they created us, they control us, they give us orders. We exist because of humans. The T59 robot explained it to R62. And why we can't perform all the actions like humans. Now there are less than 1,000 humans on the planet. They are still contracting. Contracting means decreasing in number, as the humans are still destroying themselves for various reasons that robots never could understand. We can't understand why are they killing each other. What is the reason for them to compete with each other? Why are they competing with each other? Why are they killing each other? Why do they believe in mass destruction? The reason for that we cannot understand. Before the robots were established means made, there were more humans than there are robots now. More than 20 billion of them. Now, earlier on this earth, more than 20 billion human beings lived. But now there are just only less than 1,000, said T59. Before the human beings established robots, there were more human beings on this earth. But that was much better. Still, R62 did not agree with the T59. He still believes that human beings are dangerous and there should be no human being on the earth. But that was much better. Why did they start to replace themselves with robot? Now he questions that why, if humans had been better, if humans are superior to robots, then what is the reason that they started killing each other, they started destroying each other, and they started making robots? What is the reason? Because they thought robots are superior to humans. Now T59 says कि humans सोचते हैं, humans ऐसा believe करते हैं, ऐसा मानते हैं that robots are superior. human beings ने robots को बनाया है, मगर human beings ये सोचते हैं कि robots ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं, superior हैं, better हैं हम लोगों से मतलब human beings से. Human beings ऐसा सोचते हैं. बट रोबोट्स को एक्चुअल में सिचुएशन क्या है? क्योंकि वो रोबोट एक मशीन है, रोबोट एक सिर्फ प्रोग्राम्ड मशीन है जिसको ऑर्डर्स दे सकते हैं हम. सो इट कैन नॉट बी बेटर देन ह्यूमन बींग्स. ह्यूमन बींग्स आर ऑलवेज सुपीरियर टू रोबोट्स, क्योंकि रोबोट्स को किसने बनाया? अल्टीमेटली ह्यूमन बींग्स ने. तो कौन बेटर हुआ? ह्यूमन बींग्स बेटर हुए, राइट? सो दैट्स वाई T59 says that human beings are better than robots, but human beings believe that robots are superior and that they did not need so many humans. कि उनको जरूरत नहीं है इतने सारे ह्यूमन बींग्स की, इतने रिलेशंस की, इतने सारे आदमी की जरूरत नहीं है, इतनी मैन फोर्स की, मैन पावर की जरूरत नहीं है. दे डोंट रिक्वायर so many people, so many human beings around on this earth. So that's why they started killing each other. Answer T59. So stupid. Now R62 said that they are stupid. They are idiots. The solution would be to take away robots, or at least make them stop doing the work which humans are supposed to do, so that humans get the necessity to expand and get more in number and not die out. Die out means completely extinct from earth. Ultimately, a day will come when human beings will be extinct from earth because of such mass destruction, because of the passion, the idea of isolation, कि मैं isolation में रह सकता हूँ. Human beings को ये लगता है कि मैं isolation में रह सकता हूँ, मैं अकेला रह सकता हूँ, इस धरती पे जिंदा रह सकता हूँ. तो इस आइडिया को छोड़ना चाहिए हमें. इस आइडिया, ये बिल्कुल गलत आइडिया. इट्स अ वेरी रॉन्ग नोशन विच वी हैव स्टार्टेड बिलीविंग इन. We should stop believing, because we cannot live in isolation. Human beings are they have always been a social animal. कि इनको अपने आसपास लोगों की जरूरत है, लोगों के प्रेजेंस की जरूरत है. अगर हमारे आसपास लोग ना हो, हमारे फैमिली फ्रेंड्स ना हो, तो वी विल गो मैड without talking to each other, without talking to anyone, without looking at anyone's face, without seeing each other. We will die out of frustration. So that's what R62 gives the solution, that now they are being stupid, they are being idiot. The solution is very simple. They should start doing all the things which robots are doing, and they should start doing those things themselves and start expanding their number, start increasing their number. Yes, we actually all know this already, except you. Why you do not know? Because R62 is a new robot, it's a new construction, so newly constructed robot, so that's why he did not know all these things, but rest of the robots, they know everything, who are a new design. Since you are a newly designed robot, so that's why you don't know these things. The thing is that it is part of the illegal actions which only humans are able to do. Like, किस तरह से उन्होंने mass destruction किया? Illegal actions से. All those actions which we are doing right now, cutting down trees, illegal minings, illegal extractions, illegal killings, illegal use of weapons. So all these are illegal actions which only human beings are able to do, and the last 1,000 years they haven't done it. Said T59. But in the last 1,000 years they haven't done any illegal action. They are only producing robots because there are not much human beings left now. So that's why they stopped doing this. The humans are real stupid, said R62. Yes, but we can do nothing about it, and we have to follow the orders. And now we have to finish repairing this car. All right, let's continue. After some hours, the curious robot thought that the planet Earth would be much better without these dangerous, stupid humans. Perhaps this was in the mind of every existing robot for the last 1,000 years. But to voice something like that, voice something means to say it loud, like that would definitely blow up the circuits. कि अगर किसी robot ने, if any robot by mistake say this thing to humans that you people are stupid, you should stop killing each other, you should stop doing mass destruction, you should stop producing robots and start doing your work yourself, then they will blow their circuits. They will cut down their circuits. So that's all in this chapter. This chapter has been written by Jim Westergren. So that's the name of the writer, Jim Westergren. So he was a young Swedish writer. Swedish means the one who lives in Sweden. Of short stories and essays. He is also a web designer. You can read his short story on this page, www.jimwestergren.com or sitemap #fiction. So on this website you can read his story. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much. This is all in the explanation. In the next video we will discuss the question answers and the back exercise. That's all. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.